In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to designate startup tabs in Google Chrome. If you're tired of opening the same handful of sites every morning, this quick setup will make Chrome launch straight into the pages you rely on, so you can get to work faster. Start by opening Chrome. Look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots to open the main menu, then choose Settings. This is your control center for how Chrome behaves, including what happens when you first launch it. On the left side of the settings page, click on Startup. This section tells Chrome exactly what to do the moment it opens. You might see options like opening a new tab page or continuing where you left off, but today we want to be precise. Select the option that says Open a specific page. This ensures Chrome always starts with the same set of tabs every time. Now you have two simple ways to define those tabs. If you already know the exact sites you want, click Add a new page. Paste the full web address, like the home page of your email, your calendar, your project dashboard, or any new site you check daily. Click Add to save it. You can repeat this to include each site you want ready at launch. This approach is great when you prefer a clean, predictable set of tabs every time. Alternatively, if you already have a perfect workspace open in your current Chrome window, click Use current pages. Chrome will capture all the tabs that are open right now in that window and make them your startup set. This is especially handy if you've just arranged everything the way you like. Keep in mind, it grabs exactly what's visible in that window at that moment, so it's best used when your open tabs match what you want to see every day. Once you've chosen either Add a new page or Use current pages, your selection is saved automatically. The next time you open Chrome, your chosen tabs will launch right away, giving you a consistent, ready-to-go start. If your routine changes later, you can return to the same On Startup section to update or streamline your list and keep your workflow focused. That's it. With just a few clicks, Chrome can greet you with the sites that matter most, right when you need them. Your workspace is ready the second you are. You're all set.